Hey Siri, what should everyone do while watching my video?
Hit the subscribe button and the bell next to AJ170's name so you never miss a video.
Hey guys, what is up? This is AJ170 and today I'm bringing you yet another brand new video, and this one's going to be how to save music for offline use. So guys, this app is extremely easy to use. I think it also has a really nice UI, and it also has dark mode already on it, which is a huge plus. Right now, I'm simply showing you that this is inside of the App Store at the time of me making this video, but eventually it will get removed because Apple hates on free stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the app right now. I'm going to show you guys how to download something. I'm going to go ahead and type in Token, who is one of my favorite artists right now. I'm actually going to see him live next month. Highly recommend you guys to go ahead and check him out. So I'm going to go ahead and click on one of the videos. You can see the little download icons. You can go ahead and click on that. Choose your quality. You can even do it in videos, or you can just do it as normal MP3 files. And here it is downloaded in there. So I'm going to go ahead and close out of that app. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to my control center, go on airplane mode so I have no internet connection at all whatsoever. As you can see, it even tells you get a network error. Just go ahead and hit OK. Go to the music you want to play, and as you can see, it starts playing right here. I'm not able to play the audio of this because it is copyrighted and I do not want to get a strike, but both songs I have downloaded are working perfectly fine. So this, like I said, it's literally that simple, guys. I showed you how to do this in about a minute and you're done just like that. Literally that easy, guys. Nothing hard about this, nothing complicated. But yeah, a lot of you guys have been asking me about music downloaders. Here's one right here. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's going to be just about it. This is AJ170 signing out. See you guys next time.